Hi, and welcome to the BOOX channel. There's nothing better than spending a relaxing afternoon diving into your favorite comics. If you're a comic fan searching for the perfect device to enjoy your collection, you're in the right place. This video is for you. BOOX ePaper lets you store all your favorite comics in one sleek, lightweight device. The e-ink screen mimics the feel of reading on paper, reducing eye strain from long reading sessions. Our black and white models, like the Go 10.3, feature a sharp 300 ppi display. It highlights the bold lines and contrast in black and white comics. For colored comics, our color models, like Go Color 7 Gen 2, use a Kaleido 3 screen to bring 4096 soft colors, making stories come to life. The BOOX product lineup features devices in a range of sizes. Our 7-inch models are compact and easy to carry, ideal for enjoying Japanese manga tangoban on the go. For Western comics, which often have larger artwork, our 10.3-inch devices show more detail. If the comics you read have a lot of speech bubbles with small text, a larger screen is a better choice. Then you don't have to zoom in and zoom out constantly. Some of our users even go for the 13.3-inch models to enjoy a larger screen and dual-page view. And if you prefer reading vertical comics on your phone, our Palma 2 is a great option. In addition to a variety of hardware options, BOOX offers powerful software. Our built-in reading app, NeoReader, supports 20 document formats, including popular comic file types like CBZ, CBR, PDF, and EPUB. On larger devices, you can go to Settings, Touch Settings to choose different touch modes or customize actions for specific areas like next page or full refresh. Additionally, whether you're left or right-handed, our auto rotate allows you to hold the device in the most comfortable way. If you love reading color comics and have specific color preferences, BOOX gives you 2 easy ways to customize your viewing experience. Some BOOX devices come with reflective front lights, allowing you to enjoy comics even in dim lighting. Others are designed without a front light layer for an ultra-sharp, high-definition display. You can choose the device that best fits your reading habits. For comic fans who prefer using apps or reading online, BOOX devices offer unbeatable convenience. With an open Android system and access to the Google Play Store, you can easily download your favorite comic apps or read directly from the web. We provide different refresh modes for a smooth experience with third-party apps or web pages. If you have a large collection of digital comics and prefer offline reading, our devices offer ample storage. We recommend choosing a device with a microSD card slot for extra space, so you can carry all your favorite stories in your device and enjoy them wherever you go. From hardware to software, BOOX ePaper devices are built to meet all your comic reading needs. Just choose the model that best fits your reading style, whether you prioritize screen size, storage, or front light. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.